Hello from my new studio. Welcome. Let me put it here. Will it stay? No. I just finished filming, packing some orders, and believe it or not, I didn't make the intro. So I forced myself just before going out, because I really have to go now out and send these orders, to make a small intro and just welcome you to this episode where you will see me packing my first ever notebook. Yes, I made a notebook finally. It was a dream for 1000 years and is now true. It came true. The quality is very good. I like the texture on the cover. I like a lot of details about it, but now it opened the door of experimenting and trying new style of papers. I'm dreaming a lot of things regarding that, and I want you to check it out and let me know how you find it. I have also these cards made. This is one of them, always with a sticker, which is my signature card style. I always put a sticker so it can close the envelopes without needing tape or anything else. Here is the rose one. With all of them have this envelope. In the future I might try a different one. I like also hot pink. I had a few with hot pink which sold in an exhibition. I had them in a stand. So this is my spring collection, and I made also a notebook for it. 3 cards, 1 notebook. And I have done cards in the past, I have done a wrapping paper. What's different about this specific one? This collection, the spring collection, is signaling the beginning of my stationery brand. A dream that came about many years ago. Probably the first thought was while I was working in a gym in London in 2018, and I was daydreaming of how this would look. Many things happened that made me think that it is possible, and somehow 8 years passed and I hadn't even done anything, not around my art, but anything completely stationery related, like a notebook would be considered to be. So we have the first stationery item this year, 2026. And it's fine. I will keep going, and I hope that I will have your support. Let me know in the comments if you really like it. Some people I know would prefer something bigger. This is coming. Hopefully it will be sooner than later and not 8 years later. But I am now having the momentum. I started and I will keep going. Enjoy this video and see you in the conversation below.
Sun is falling, speed in the black.